Hey girl, what's going on?
Do you remember that Beauty in the City stuff I ordered last week? Well, it finally came and I'm so excited. I mean, I already had some products, but because I use it almost every day, I needed some new Beauty in the City. And now that it's here, I'm ready to get all dolled up and go to a party.
I just got my Beauty in the City order too. You know how we rock it. We're gonna rock this party.
Hey, when we were on BeautyInTheCity.com last week, you said you were thinking about ordering, but you didn't tell me you actually placed an order. Look, you don't waste no time. We ready?
Yes, my Beauty in the City box came today. I just washed my face and I'm about to glam up right now.
So, you gonna tell me what was in your box?
Girl, I just got the face and body bronzer. It's a perfect match for me. So after that, I was like, I have to get the eyeliner. It has metallic in it, so I know it's gonna make my eyes really pop. Then I got the Beauty in the City highlighter. Look how pretty. I put this all over my nose. Then I just got the tea face mist, just so I could always keep my face hydrated when I put these products on. So, girl, I'm all dressed. Where's the party?
Well, so I said I wanted to go to a party today, but I don't know exactly where the party is. Like, maybe we can do our own little party or something, you know?
Don't play with me, girl. I'm looking too good right now. Where's the party?
I mean, like I just said, I don't know exactly where a party is, but I'm sure there's a party somewhere, or like, you know, we can do our own little party.
I just did my face. I'm rocking my blue shirt and I'm going to put on these boots that are to die for. You're gonna tell me there's no party? So you mean to tell me I look like this to go nowhere?
Look, I got carried away too. I'm all glammed up with nowhere to go.
You know what? Let's make some calls. Let me see some action.